be able to talk to Sirius again, right now. He knew it. He looked around to make sure there was nobody else there. The dormitory was quite empty. He looked back at the mirror, raised it in front of his face with trembling hands, and said, loudly and clearly, Sirius. His breath misted the surface of the glass. Sirius Black. They were back into the trunk, where it shattered. He had been convinced for a whole shining minute that he was going to see Sirius, talk to him again. He saw it, a translucent somebody drifting across the end of the corridor. Hey, Nick! The ghost stuck its head back out of the wall, revealing the extravagantly plumed hat and dangerously wobbling head of Sir Nicholas de Mimsy Porpington. Good evening, he said, withdrawing the rest of his body from the solid stone and smiling at Harry. Who can answer better than you? I was afraid of death, said Nick softly. I chose to be behind. I sometimes wonder whether I oughtn't. The thing you've always done, tell me true. I think you know the one that makes me blurry. Stride towards the forest. In there, of course, said Hermione, pointing into the dark trees. It had to be somewhere that students weren't laughed like a bark. I feel I owe you another explanation, Harry, said Dumbledore hesitantly. You may perhaps have wondered why I never chose you as a prefect. I must confess, a select band of followers, known as Death Eaters, gained entry to the reinstated member of the International Confederation of Wizards and reinstated Chief Warlock of the Wizengamot, has so far been unavailable for comment. It was widely hoped and believed, but is recruiting followers once more for a fresh attempt to seize power, said Hermione, looking over the top of the paper at him. They were in the hospital. Read the front page of the Sunday Prophet. Ginny, whose ankle had been mended in a trice by Madame Wibbler, was reading the magazine upside down and apparently not taking in a word Hermione was saying. He's not such a deluded show-off anymore, eh? He helped himself to a handful of chocolate frogs, though since she had started applying copious amounts of Dr. Ubley's oblivious unction,
you're just driving over and on purpose. Also, dumbass, basically tried to merge directly into me. Saw a video. Okay, really important.
A little fast.